Hello, my friends. How are you all? Today we are going to cover the topic revenue analysis, rapid revision course, which is beneficial for UGC NET, CA Foundation, BCom, AMCom, 12th, 11th economic students. So, what is revenue? Revenue is the money income which producer gets from the sale of his product. Revenue is different from the profit because revenue is sales, whereas profit is revenue deducted expenses means whenever we deduct some expenses from the revenue we get the profit. So revenue have two types: total revenue, average revenue, and one another type of revenue is the marginal revenue, which is very beneficial and very important topic. So the classification of revenue is the total revenue. Total revenue is price into my quantity. So whenever there is a question that what is the revenue function, then revenue function is the price into my quantity. Then the average revenue is nothing, just average of total revenue. So total revenue divided by the quantity, we get the average revenue. And the marginal revenue, this is the very important topic. Marginal revenue is the change in TR, means change in total revenue because of change in quantity, delta TR upon my delta Q. So what is the relationship between AR and MR? In the perfect competition market, the average revenue is equal to the marginal revenue. But whenever we talk about the imperfect competition market, AR and MR is a negatively slopes and down it slopes downward because it has a negative relationship between each other. In monopoly and monopolistic market, in which AR average revenue is declined, but the MR, means the marginal revenue, decline faster, like this. If AR is declining, MR declining faster, MR becomes negative. If AR becomes 0, MR becomes negative till then. Then what is the relationship between AR, MR and the price elasticity? Whenever the elasticity of demand or price is equal to 1, then the AR is equal to elasticity of demand minus 1 divided by elasticity. Whenever we multiply it with AR, then we get the A marginal revenue. And whenever we deduct the MR, whenever we divide the MR from E minus 1, we have calculate average revenue. When there is the elasticity of demand is equal to 1, then MR becomes 0. When elasticity of demand is greater than 1, MR becomes positive. And whenever on the elasticity of demand is lesser than 1, then the case is the marginal revenue is becomes negative. Here elasticity of demand can be calculated as delta P upon my delta Q. Revenue under different markets, there are two types of market: perfect market or the imperfect market. Whenever there is a perfect competition market, AR is equal to MR. Whenever the AR is equal to MR, then the price is also equal to demand. So AR is equal to MR is equal to price and demand. They all are constant and they all are same. But in the perfect competition market, AR slopes downward and MR slopes downward faster, like this. It less than perfect elastic, MR lies below the AR and TR still increasing. TR always increasing, TR always becomes the positive, because if it becomes negative, the producer produce less or maybe shut down. There are another three markets like monopoly, pure monopoly and oligopoly. Pure monopoly में same concept, AR and MR is a negative and MR is less than AR and TR is decreasing. But in the pure monopoly market, AR is a rectangular hyperbola like this, and AMR is OX axis horizontal like this. TR remains the same. TR never increases or never decreases. TR remains the same like this. And in the oligopoly, AR cannot be drawn. Kinky AR curve means the AR average revenue has some kinks like this, and there are some rays like this. So this is the kinky AR curve, and TR increases, decreases, and decline. Same concepts. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. And another topic, we are going to cover the market, and then this business economics is finalized from my side. Keep growing, keep studying. Thank you so much.